What's up, everybody? I have a beautiful loaf of challah bread here, so tonight we're making French toast. Cheers, and let's cook. First thing we're going to do is make our batter. For that, I have 1 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of flour, that's 1/3 of a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 3 eggs. Just gonna crack those in. Now we'll just whisk that until it's nice and smooth. All whisked up, so now I'm just going to pour it into a square container so it'll be easy to dip my bread into when it's time to make our French toast. I'll set that aside. Next up is just cutting our challah into some nice thick slices. Looking for about 1 inch on those. Should get about 8 nice slices. We are ready to head to the stove. Over at the stove, I'm going to get my griddle pan nice and hot. You could always do this in a non-stick pan as well. We'll just let that heat up. Our pan's getting nice and hot, so to that I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. Just melt that. And move it all around. I'm just going to dip each side of my slices of bread in here real quick. Go onto my pan. We'll cook this in batches. Just going to cook each side until they're nicely browned. That is all of our French toast ready to go. We are ready to eat. I got a fantastic little stack of French toast here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.